Ali loved this song. Ali loved this song. She loved this song, and this was one song that I appreciated that she played.
Hello. Hello. We're on our way home.
Slightly dragged along.
Lazy Henry didn't want to walk.
What I really want to walk, but walk at a quicker pace
I
than
can't.
this, because what I'm so concerned about is this leisurely pace we're taking. It's not going to take 40 minutes. It's going to take an hour and a half.
Don't.
And to me, that's kind of worth 20 quid to skip.
20 quid? Never. Hurry up.
Right. Now, before this, I could barely hold myself up, so I'm hoping that this will send me.
Oh, God.
There we go.
I'm gonna try. Oh God, it is quite low.
Go on.
It is low, right?
It's quite low to get your head that far.
And I feel like
We're gonna get in. It's gonna be so cold. Ready?
how big and how powerful they feel. Like, really. Oh my.
I'm so glad we did it!
Yeah. Breath of fresh air. Quite literally.
It is windy. So windy. But we said this is the true meaning of blow the cobwebs off. I feel like every sinus has been covered.
Oh my god.
I have screamed, I have giggled. It is. We are promising to do this more often.
It's got a little purr and everything. I know. You're so lovely. What a cat.
A life admin kind of day.
It is.
Woo!
2 o'clock and we've still actually not done anything yet.
We've been to the bank. Both of us have been to the bank. And now it's list time. We're off into town in some very parallel outfits.
We're going to be productive, even though we're leaving at like, I don't even know what time it is.
It's probably 2 p.m.
Yeah.
At this point. Probably 2 p.m.
The outfit shop.
I also have this thing where every time the camera is pointed at me, I keep coming into it and doing like so I need to stop. Otherwise every video will look the same.
I suppose. It's a cute little face though.
Oh, I thank you. It is a pretty face. Day 2 of sorting our lives out. Let's see how much more of the list I can do. Strawberry girl. Strawberry world.
Matches your tote bag, kind of.
We've had a strange yet slightly productive day.
God, I'm gonna fall into the road. Yeah, we sat at a coffee shop and I was relatively productive, but my list wasn't.
My list kind of just grew as I did things. I did quite a few messages and I spent like 80 quid on the
Not on the
products.
strawberries.
No. I'm now on a big budget.
Yeah, I need to do an IKEA order and the range order, so...
You did the range one.
No, I didn't. So... Yeah.
We're going to the beach.
Beach time.
Look what we just stumbled upon in the wild. Helen Kamek originals. Transformation is art. And then ideas are transformative. As modelled by Lily and these Calvin Klein models. And that guy who seems so familiar. We made it to the beach. So sunny and so warm and it's so nice.
Lovely.
So lovely.
We live here.
I know, can you believe it? We live here. After a day of, I would like to say really hard work, but was it hard work?
Worked hard for a bit.
For a bit. No, to be honest, no, we were doing things we've been putting off for a long time, which makes it a lot harder. So, yeah. Corresponding. I can't see if you're even in it. Can you see yourself?
I wasn't even looking, I was just...
You're just talking to the sky.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna get to a point where I'm so warm and then I'm gonna go and sleep. Lily and I are reading 2 books for Women in Translation Month. What have you got?
The Woman Destroyed.
And A Girl Returned. It's actually Lily's book. She has read it and kindly lent it to me. Women in Translation. And strange noises. I love people,
So
just being
cute.
people, like humans being humans, my favourite thing.
So cute sometimes.
So cute sometimes. Oh my god, look, I've got us both in.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Where have you got
my
those?
phrase right now.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
I know, I've not replaced ridiculous, to be honest.
No, I don't really say bizarre anymore. I just can't say the same. Oh my goodness.
What one's this one? I think it might be this one. The catcher is out. It's very big. I want to get a better tin for it, but I'm kind of happy. For a first ever attempt, that's not too bad. A pea and asparagus risotto for Mum's arrival in Brighton.
Very good. Very nice.
Just call me a master chef today. Good steering, Jess.
Quick, hide your hands, Sandy.
Oh my god, yours has gone really small already.
It's melted.
I got honey and ginger. What did you get, Mum?
Coconut and pineapple.
Coconut and pineapple.
No. I have pushed it down in the coat.
Oh, really? And the old Kia. And massive waves today. We don't think we'll be going swimming. Off for a swim. Swim, swim, swim. Unfortunately, the ocean is very, very, very far out. So we don't know if we're going to be able to make it in because it's so far and shallow. Could dip in a rock pool, that's true. Let's see. Jess is Opheliaing in a rock pool because it's too far to go for a proper swim. Do it, do it. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Crazy girl. You're crazy. Crazy. We made it to dry land.
Oh my god.
That was a bit treacherous, that walk.
Horribly slippy and treacherous, and my eyesight is...
Lily's blind as a bat, and so it was like slimy rocks and slimy puddles, and I'm so out of focus.
And Jess had to lead my way.
I did follow the leader the whole way back. Okay, now we're on rocks. Okay. Back up to the path we go.